In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So last episode, we dragged our footage into the timeline like this, and that's where we left it. Let's go over exactly what you can do with the timeline today. First of all, let's go over tools. So you've got your selection tool. This allows you to select things and allows you to select it separately. Next one, the track select forward tool. This allows you to select tracks from after the point. Track select backward tool does the opposite. Tracks backwards from your point. The ripple edit tool allows you to ripple edit. The rolling edit tool allows you to do rolling editing. The rate stretch tool allows you to do stretching of the content. The razor tool allows you to trim the content into different parts, as demonstrated here. And we can put that all back. The slip tool allows you to fix any slip ups. The slide tool allows you to slide some stuff. The pen tool allows you to use a pen on it so that you can apply specific effects with a pen manually. The hand tool allows you to move across a sequence, also doable by shift and scroller. And then there's the zoom tool, which allows you to zoom in and out of specific parts on the sequence. In terms of quick zoom, you may want to use this. This allows you to zoom in specific parts quickly. This is your current position. That will always be where you are currently watching. This allows you to choose if you want to insert and overwrite sequences as nests or individual clips. The magnet feature, so if you have this, you may notice that if it gets too close, it will just snap on to the other footage. Say you want to do some really fine editing, turn off snap, and it's as free as you like. Linked selection allows you to link the selection. You can add a marker to specific bits to mark certain points in the video. And then that allows you to choose your display settings for the timeline. Here are your different video feeds. To lock it and not be able to touch anything in it, you can do that in case you're clicking on the wrong things. In order to not see it, you can click that eye and you won't be able to see it anymore. Toggle sync lock allows you to toggle if you want to synchronize it or not. Same with audio channels, and the master allows you to see the master volume in the project. Now let's go into some options here. Cut allows you to cut the part, not much different with there. Copy allows you to copy it, and you can paste it back in. Paste attributes just paste in some parts from things that you previously copied. Ripple delete allows you to delete any gaps, so you can do this. Edit original allows you to edit the original file. Edit in Adobe Photoshop allows you to open the image in Adobe Photoshop. Say that it's audio, it will say open in Audition. Say it's video, it will say open in After Effects. Although you can replace it with an After Effects composition, because all of these different tools synchronize with each other. Replace with clip allows you to replace it with certain other clips. Render and replace allows you to save any changes and render a new version with new changes. Enable allows you to just enable or disable that as a part of the sequence. Unlink allows you to unlink the audio and the video from the same thing, so you can move the audio and video around freely. Group allows you to group certain things. Ungroup allows you to ungroup it. Synchronize allows you to synchronize it. Merge clips allows you to merge it. To make a nest, you make a nested sequence, and now that's all one clip. The multi-camera allows you to choose that. The labels allow you to label it with a specific colour, if it helps for keeping an eye on certain things. Speed/duration allows you to choose the speed or the duration it will take to see it. remove effects allows you to remove all effects from the image or video, and then these are a bit more advanced, so once you get a bit more used to Adobe Premiere Pro, maybe these will be for you. So that's most of the tutorial. Hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions, please do feel free to leave them in the comments below. Please note this was done using Adobe Premiere CC 15. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.